Welcome to One Chemistry. This is 365 Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have 5-member cyclic compound with alcohols are there. You have primary alcohol, 2 secondary alcohol. You are reacting with methanol in acid and TPDMS chloride and PDC and acetic acid in water. You have to guess what will be the final product. The whole reaction is dictated by the reagents. First step, you are adding the acid attacks the water. Here which group will react? Regioselectivity dictated by the neighboring group participation. Oxygen lone pair participates, so OH2 near the oxygen eliminates there. So you have the cation formation, then methanol attacks, you have methoxide. Then you are adding DPDMS 1 equivalent. TPDMS is very bulky reagent and it attacks only primary, so you have primary alcohol protected. Then you have only one alcohol, you are using PDC. It's a mild oxidizing agent, you have heat on there, so you have only one alcohol oxidized. The concept you have to learn here is regioselectivity. The regioselectivity is dictated by the reagent, not by the natural reactivity. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion, comment below.